Hi babe, welcome to the sneak peek of Faceless and Filthy Rich. I'm Jordan, owner of Shiz Inc., creator of Faceless and Filthy Rich as well as PMA. In this video, you're going to get a sneak peek into the FFR community and what is inside the courses and the content as well as the women. You will also be shown the financial freedom that this course can give you just simply by reselling it. So let's have a look at what is inside. So this is the Faceless and Filthy Rich community. This is the page that you will first land on. If you click here, you can see the full description, and along the side you have the chat areas. So you've got introductions where you can introduce yourself and meet other women. You've got the chit chat area where you can talk in the community. You've also got the ask for help area where you can post any questions. Any announcements will be posted here. Share your socials where you can share your social media with the other women and get followed and follow back. And also share your content to get love. But we're going to show you the courses area. So here you have setting up your site, reselling, finding your niche, sales and marketing, engagement and socials, achieving financial freedom, time management, automation and extra learning. So all of these are its own calls. So for example, setting up your site. There are 4 different sites that you can set up from. So showing you this one, this is the beacon setup. So we go full in depth of how to set up your site, showing you how to put the description and everything else. And then we go over to our docs area. You have resources. You have 30 PLR products that you can resell outside of FFR. You have digital learning, you have faceless content, we answer any frequently asked questions, and you also have freebies to add to your social media to give your social media more value. Inside the faceless content area, we show you how to set up your faceless content. You've got pre-made content ready so you can put straight onto your social media. We also have plain content, so you can obviously create your own if you want to create your own. All of these come with Canva links so you can edit and recreate to match your brand and theme. So how can this course bring you financial freedom, and how is it different to everything else out there on the market? So to start with, it's low cost at only $55 per month. It's an affordable option for anyone of any financial status. So it is perfect for someone who maybe doesn't want to make a big investment, because you can cancel at any time. You're not tied into any contracts or agreements, so you can cancel at any time. It's suitable for any stage of your digital marketing career, so you'll find it beneficial whether you're brand new, whether you've been in digital marketing a while, because the content is always changing and adapting, so you're always going to be learning something new. It is the only MRR that gives you 100% profit with monthly pay. So for example, you have a customer A join in month 1, and in month 2 you have customer B join. But in month 2 you get paid also from customer A from the previous month. I'll go more into that in a second, but this course gives you what you actually need. We don't tell you what you want to hear, we give you what you need. We will show you how to make sales. We show you how to set up your site. We understand that not everyone can just get on with it, and that is why we wanted to make sure that the content inside FFR is really supportive and helpful to everyone that uses it. You will have full mentoring and support at all times. You are not going to be ghosted. We don't expect you to get on with it, and you're going to get full help all the time. If we haven't put the piece of content inside the course that you might need, if you ask in the ask for help area, we will help you straight away. There are new trainings and features added every single month. As social media changes and things adapt, we adapt with the times and make sure that everyone knows what they need to be doing it, and we show them how to do it. And lastly, the financial stability. In MRL and digital marketing in general, there is a lot of risk, because obviously normally with a normal resale product, you would get the initial first payment and that would be it. There'd be no more payments after that. Whereas this is different because you're earning monthly from it. And I'm going to give you some examples. So for example, you joined this month and you was to make 5 sales this month, okay? And for the rest of the year, you made no sales whatsoever, okay, in a 12-month period. So 5 sales in 1 month, but then none for the rest of the year. Come the end of the year, you would still have made $3,300 because you're getting paid monthly. So that first initial $275, which is the cost of the 5 original customers, will turn into $3,300 without you even making more sales. So that is the potential of growth in this course. And let's expand on that a little bit more. So for example, in a year period, if you was to make 5 sales every month, which is totally achievable, by the end of the year, you would have made $21,530. Now, say you want to jazz it up a little bit more and have a little bit more. If you was to make 10 sales a month, even as a beginner, which is achievable with the low cost and also the offer of stability, 10 sales a month would lead you to $43,160 come the end of the 12 months. And that is just 10 sales a month, so that's not even 1 sale a day. Now, say you're feeling very adventurous and you know you've got this, and you do 30 sales a month, so essentially 1 sale a day every month. So come the end of the year, you will have $129,180, so just under $130,000. Keeping in mind, this is paying monthly, okay? So if you sold 30 courses a month for 12 months and then never sold anything else after those 12 months, you're still getting $130,000 a year without making any more sales, just doing that 1 year's work. So your work is rewarded. It's not, work, make a sale, then have to do more work, make a sale. You can stop whenever you want. You can build as much as you want and you can stop whenever you want because it is completely up to you. You have the flexibility, but you also have the risk-free. So it is one of the best and only opportunities in digital marketing right now where you can make 100% profit and have that stable income. Like you could be earning $130,000 by the end of the 12 months just by literally selling 1 sale a day. And if you learn how to niche, which we do teach you, selling the product will be so much easier for you because you will actually know how to sell it. So I hope to see you inside Faceless and Filthy Rich and get you on this journey to becoming rich, and I will see you soon.